here, and today I am going to review the Luminous light up wheel. Ooh. On Planet Roller Skate Shop, you can find these wheels, and we have 4 color options. We got purple, white, blue, and pink. When you buy them on our website, they come in a set of 8. They come in a package like this. Nice and tight, saran wrapped. The measurements are 85A and 62 millimeters. A lot of light up wheels are kind of glitchy, they don't stay lit, and a lot of the urethane in the other light up wheels just isn't quality. The reason that I would pick this one, the Luminous, is because it's actually a good wheel. So you can skate outside and you can go over bumps and cracks and rocks, and you can also skate inside, and the quality of the wheel itself isn't compromised in order to make it light up. So not only is the urethane like super quality and the wheel performs really well, but I also love it because the light up, like when it does light up, it's continuous throughout the whole wheel. You don't see little individual nodes as much as you do in some of the other light up wheels. So once you get it, take it out of the package, and you'll see pretty quickly that there's this little bearing. It looks like a bearing in the middle of the wheel. Each wheel comes with one of these, and what this is actually the generator that lights up the wheel. So it's like this battery in the middle that you're charging in order to create your own light, which is pretty rad. So you can see it's right in there. It just pops out, and it's like a little magnet. And you can see on the inside here, there's some metal. So whenever you put this here, it kind of clips into place because it's magnetized. And then you put your bearings on either side, and that's what holds it in there and lets the light get generated. It's pretty cool. I love it's like sustainable. I don't know, why can't we create energy every time we're skating? I feel like I should be able to charge my phone with a generator in the middle of my wheel, right? So one thing that I really want you guys to keep in mind with this spacer in the middle, or the generator in the middle, is that your bearings actually stick out a tiny bit. And so sometimes when you're putting it on your skate, your nut isn't able to catch a thread because it's too far out. So what you have to do is actually flip the nut over in order to tighten your wheel onto your skate. So I'll show you that in a second when I put them on my skate, but that's really important to note. If you're having any trouble with that, that's probably why. So the thing about this generator is also, it does create a little bit of friction. So it might feel like you're kind of a little bit more sluggish or slower, but you know, that's okay because these are for like night cruising, they're for cruising at the rink. These aren't gonna be like a performance wheel. It's about being visible, staying safe in the streets, and also catching everybody's eye as you zoom by. Keep in mind that when you buy these from planetrollerskate.shop, you are supporting me being able to make tutorials for you guys and informational episodes like this. And as always, comment below and let me know what you want to see, and I will be sure to cover everything you guys want, or do my best to. All right, the top reasons that I love the Luminous light up wheel is 1, the quality of the wheel is not compromised in order to make it light up. 2, they're really bright and colorful, so they look good even when it's not nighttime and they're not lit up. So you can wear these during the day too, they're still gonna look awesome. The 3rd reason I like them is because they're made for outdoors, and so I love wearing these when I'm skating outside at night because it makes me really, really visible. And for the same reason, these are attention grabbers. Like every time I wear these wheels, I am catching everybody's eye, and I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty fun. I have a video actually that I will put in right here, insert video, of when I was ramp skating on New Year's this year with my light up wheels, and it's just, I kept getting more compliments than I've ever gotten before on my skates. So it was a really fun night. The sun is setting right now, so it's like the perfect time to really test these out. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to put one of these on your skate. So I have my nice crunchy looking skates right here. A little bit in need of a refurbishment, but perfect for this example. All right, what color do I want to skate in tonight? I think I like, do I want to be pink? Yeah, I think I'm gonna be pink. Yeah, that was a hard decision. Pink wheel. Oh, first I need to take off my other wheel. Ooh. It's usually better if you use a bearing press, but if you don't have anything else, you can use your truck too. Oh, okay, so got my bearings off out of my wheel. And this is the wheel I normally skate in. This is pretty worn down, but it's the red Radar Energy wheel. These are up on the site too. This is definitely my wheel of choice for performance on dance, ramps, inside, everything. So in case you guys are wondering, the red Radar Energy wheel. My preferred wheel when I'm not trying to light up the streets. All right, so I have my light up wheel here. I'm gonna take my generator, put it in the middle. I'm gonna take my bearing, put it on the outside here, push it in just a little, kind of get it in place. Maybe put it, sometimes if I can't get my bearings in with my hands, I'll put it on the axle here, and then you can kind of push it in. Then I'm going to add this one in. Same thing, I'm gonna put it on the axle, kind of push it in there. All right, that sound you hear is my dirty bearings. It's not the generator, so keep that in mind. I should probably clean my bearings or get some new ones. So as you can see, you probably won't be able to see it very well on camera, but this bearing is sticking out just a tiny bit. So sometimes for some people that means that there's not enough thread sticking out to catch your nut on. Where'd my nut go? I lost my nut. Uh-oh. Oh, found it. Got it. Oh, okay, got it. Here's my nut. Normally, this part goes down against the wheel. I'm gonna test it out. Okay, cool, so mine works. I don't have a problem. But if you find that you can't get your nut to tighten when you put these on, all you have to do is flip it over. So now the part that's a bit more coned is the part against the wheel. Tighten this guy on. All right, not wobbly. Ooh. Whoa. In the daytime even, it looks so good. All right, and now time lapse of me changing the rest of my wheels. I got the wheels on my skates. Yeah, it only took forever. That took a really long time because that was seriously the first time I've changed my wheels probably in a year. My bearings were nice and gunked up in there. That's why actually I wear the Red Radar Energy wheel most of the time, is because I hate changing my wheels so much that this is one of the very few wheels that I can wear at the skate park and in the streets and dance skating. But that leads to me just never taking care of my bearings. Anyways, it's all good. The sun's gone down a little bit more, so you should probably see the light. Ah. Ah. When you put weight on there, it'll keep the light more continuous. But if you do ever have trouble with these like not lighting up, all you have to do is pull that generator out of there, blow it off, put it back in. Sometimes they get a little gunky and it makes the connection not work so well. So yeah, don't be bummed and thinking that they're broken. Just take it, clean it out a little bit, put it back on, it'll probably work fine. So to complete my nighttime look, I'm gonna add my black boot covers because I really like pink and black. So you can see, ooh, I just completely changed the style of my skates. Look at that. I think we're ready to skate. Let's go see how they look. And the coyotes start to howl. Don't you let them bring you down.
you keep it real.
This episode of Planet Roller Skate. Just had a great excursion on my light up wheels. I hope you guys can see how much they actually help me be visible, and they even help me see a little bit in the street. And they're awesome for the outdoors, minus that one rock I hit. Sometimes you just can't help but take a good spill. So be sure to go to planetrollerskate.shop for your light up wheels, your cool skate tees, anything else you might need. And until next time, later skaters.